Hello everyone, welcome back to a new series where we are going to do a full branding tutorial, starting from how to make the logo and ending up how to get it ready for print and actually printing it. So without losing time, let's get started. Now, if you're new to the branding and you don't know what questions you want to ask your client, this cool brief I made here, and from this one you can actually, this has almost all the questions you need to have when you start a new branding. So starting off, you of course ask for the company name, what industry they are, what logo type they like. If you don't know the types of logos, just search them on Google and you will find them. Design elements, this one is usually not given by the client. They some know what they want, some others they leave it to you, but either way it's kind of good to have this one. Colors, for colors, we actually need to study a bit about the colors. Every industry have their own colors, but just in case, of course, you want to ask the client what color they like. If they give you an opinion, if they give it wrong, you can fix them, correct them, and if they give it right, then it's all good. Now you have the brand feel, and this is one of the most important questions or things you need to have when creating a brand. Because if you're creating a logo, you don't necessarily need a brand feel, but when you're creating a branding, the brand feel is the most important aspect of the branding, because with this one, the whole company, the whole company will have that feeling. For example, we have here modern and forward-thinking, sophisticated and intelligent, and approachable and user-friendly. Now, when you have this one, this actually makes the logo really more easy to make, because you have this one user-friendly. Like, it gives you a bit of information, or do you want to make the logo a bit sharper? Do you want to make it more rounded? Like with the brand feel, now if the client gives you this one, they rarely do, but if they give this one, then you are lucky. But if they don't give you this one is actually a tutorial on itself, like a book on itself, a brand feel, because this is what people are going to think the first time they see your company. Now for applications, this is pretty much the same. Must be scalable, of course, printed in various sizes, business cards, without losing integrity. And of course, we're going to do this on our part 2 when we start doing the brand book. You will see actually how important this one is too. And of course, it should be black and white, grayscale. Additional branding elements. This one goes to the brand book, so we are going to, when we go to the second episode of this tutorial, we're going to go here. And of course, deliverables. And this one is a must know too, like vector format, command format, etc., etc. So for today, we're going to focus on our logo and our these points: design elements, logo type, brand feel, and industry. Starting off, we're going to create our new canvas. We're going to go to print, and we're going to go A4. This is important because at the end of the episodes, I'm going to show you how to make this ready to be printed and to look at like a book, like a brand book. How to order the pages, so when you print it, you don't have any troubles. You can just clip them, and it will look like a book. Yeah, which is extremely important if you are new at designing, and I'm going to show you a quick, easy tip on how to do that one. So, of course, if you didn't see what I did, new, print, A4, and if you do it, it's automatically going to make the color for printing, and we press create. Now, as you can see, let's start with this one. So, when you are creating a logo, don't be afraid to to look for inspiration. Now, the best places to look for inspiration are actually Behance, Dribbble, logo inspiration, etc. I'm just gonna go here and type software company, okay, software logo design, and we are going to see some inspiration now. As you can see, the logo type, word mark with possible negative space design elements. So these two are actually two different kinds of logos, word mark with negative space included. So if you don't know what negative space is, I'm going to go here and Google negative space logo. And as you can see, these logos have a hidden meaning behind this word mark, or maybe in the icon. Here you can see the spade, Batman, etc. You get the point. So a hidden meaning, and these are really cool logos. The second thing we are going to watch is, of course, the brand field. Now, as I searched for a word mark logo, now as you can see, these actually fit in together very well, because you have a word mark logo, and here it says user-friendly. So when you do user-friendly or whatever type of friendly logos, usually friendly means rounded, means something chubby. So automatically, when you're searching for a font for a word mark, you automatically search for a more rounded font. But since the industry technology, not that rounded, but maybe the rounded corners, something like that one. And yeah, like you can see, modern, forward-thinking, intelligent, so not extremely rounded, but maybe only the corners rounded. Just by this information, you almost have the logo done, at least in your mind. So all you have to search for now, it's a font that has kind of rounded its corners, and it's more about the technology. You go to a color scene, you read the design elements, the word decode should be prominent with a clean and modern sans serif typeface. Incorporate elements that suggest coding such as curly braces, angle brackets, or a string of binary code 0101, and use the negative space. So this is the information of the logo. So now you have almost all of them. So if you go here, get a new element, so a font with rounded corner for technology, and some curls or brackets in negative space. And for the colors, a vibrant blue as the primary color, suggesting precision, yeah. Complementary colors palette should be chosen to ensure good contrast. So the best way to look for colors is actually BNs, like BNs, 3-pick, pages like that have really a good colors. Like, I'm not saying steal the designs, but the colors you absolutely can steal them. Like this one is very good. Very good colors, this one too. Okay. In 3-pick you can actually find very good color scheme, colors. You have, of course, pages that do that for you too, but I think these one are the quickest way to create colors immediately. Now this one, I think I'm going to go with this one. I like these colors. White. Okay. This one is good too. You have the icons. Now this is how you present. We are going to do something like this on the brand book. See here, all blue colors. Maybe let's go vector, and you can find some good blues. Let's go like this. Okay, blue. You have all of these colors you can find. This one is good too, but I think I'm going to go with this one. I like this one very much. So let's go here to our file. Took a screenshot of this one. I'm going to take this as the base color, and no, this one is the base color. Like we can see the difference between CMYK and RGB immediately. So this is one thing you want to make sure when you design, because the difference, as you can see, it's very huge. Well, let's go here. Maybe a bit more bluish. Okay, something like here. No? Yeah, let's stick with this one first. If you don't like the feel of this one, you can actually go and create RGB. Now I'm going to go and create an RGB just because in this case, this is a logo for software company. Now, software companies don't have that much of documents printed. So we're going to go here. Okay, I'm going to grab this one too. Just on this case, this one works because the software companies don't usually have their logos that much printed. So yeah, now let's start with this one. I found this around the corner for technology and some curly brackets. Now I'm going to go actually on Google, and I'm going to go programming logo just for some inspiration to see what other people did. Let's see, negative space. Maybe we can find something just for inspiration. Nope, not here. Let's see what we have. Okay, let's go software company logo. And this one seems good. Let's paste it. It has the curly brackets. Let's see. This one, but no. Let's work with this one first. Now I'm just gonna write the word decode, and before I begin searching on Google for fonts, I'm gonna see if I have any font here that matches this description. Go to filters, and nope, this one. Let's see if we can find something we like. This one, no. No. Let's see. Nothing here matches our description. See, next looks good. Okay. Maybe let's go clear. Maybe we find this one. Okay. This one interesting. It needs to be bold though. Everything that has a soft feeling, it's bold, chubby, and rounded. I think the font I saw in the beginning looks good. Let's see, just in case we find something else. No, not so much love. Hello. Okay. Here, interesting font, but no, not much. Okay. I think this one looks actually good. I don't quite like this font though. We're gonna keep this one just in case, and now we're gonna go to Google and we're gonna write technology fonts. See, okay, I'm gonna type 3, I'm gonna paper, anything, and let's see if we find something here. I'm just gonna write decode and see what we have here. This fine. Okay, this one doesn't have lower cases. And they're only zero. For now. This one, no, too much. I think I'm just going to go back to that font though. It doesn't happen too much finding fonts on your library which match. I think this thought, I think I'm going to go, let's go there. And shit, here, take can't screen. Oh yeah, this is the font I chose. I think this one is good. We're going to work with this one though. I quite like this one. Yeah, let's work with this one. Let's see what we can do. What you want to do, first of all, as you can see, this has too much space. Usually if you don't have time to fix the fonts on a logo, you go here and press optical, and then it fixes these gapping elements. I think this is still too far, but when you're creating a logo and don't care too much about the font, just go here and press optical. It's more refined than the Matrix one. So what we're going to do here, I'm going to go to object, and I'm going to expand this one, and I'm going to make this closer by using this distance here. Okay, let's go over here. Okay, I'm go. Just bring it a bit closer. Still think this is too far though. Let's see how it looks. Go here, go closer. Okay, this is kind of tricky. Here, go actually farther. Go over here. Go over here. As you can see, it still has mistakes even though it's pressed, but I think this is still too far. Let's try half of this one, maybe. Let's go like this. Close distance, go to the beginning. Here I look like this. I think this one is better. Over here. Closer. Here I go. Closer. Here I go. Closer. Back. Okay, let's see how this looks now. I think this one looks much better than the other one. Now, what's left is add some brackets or in a negative space. Now, how we can do this one? Now, as you can see, this looks. I think we can put this one at the K. Maybe we can do O like this. Let's see, let's make two versions. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually cut this one. Here. There we go. And what I'm going to do is actually just go here. Let's see how this holds. Okay. Control F. Reflect horizontal. Okay. Let's go like this. Okay, I don't understand what I'm doing. Yeah, here we go. Let's show these. And yeah. Let's go like this. Now, I think this looks super cool, but I just don't like the way I created those. Let's go like this. And let's go like this. Here. Okay, this one maybe. Oh, okay. So after tweaking a bit, I came up with this one. I think this one looks good. Let's just fix the spacing again. Here. think I like this one. Let's go here. And this one's fine. Let's see a version where we change the O. Oh, this one is not going to be good. And this one looks like the icon. Go like this. Oh, okay. Let me get a recall. I think this one looks really interesting. Usually, when you don't know what to do, you go by the safe choice. I think this one is fine. It matches the description. But this one too, it's interesting. You can use this as a pattern later on. Let's see how it goes. This one maybe. Yeah, we can use this one as a pattern later on. I'm just going to leave it here. Actually, this one looks extremely good, but I'm going to go with the safest option here. So let's see. Let's go like this, guys. Like this. Background first. Here we go. Go sample back. Go this one in the middle. Let's make it white first. Okay. I think to make it more recognizable, I'm just going to change the color of this one to this. Yeah. I think this looks perfect. Let's see, there's something there. Man, if I can do is plan my color. The secondary polish of it will show good contrast. Well, I think this one looks super good. This look color, even if I make it more vibrant. I think I'm still going to go with this one. Okay. Let's try some different blues. Maybe find something better. Let's go here. Following color blue. I think this one looks good. Let's go here. Let's grab this one. This screenshot. Okay. Oops. Color group. Okay. Let's just see which one. Through. This one is not going to look good on white though. I think I'm still going to go with this one. I like that one better. So thank you for your colors, Devin. Now let's leave these aside. Let's see all this. Okay. Patterns. Right. This. We're not going to need it for now, but here we're gonna see later about these ones. Our main focus is just creating the logo. So I'm going to let's go like this and this. We're gonna test our logo in different colors here and white. So let's make this one smaller. Code. I'm just gonna press this. Let's see if we got those slogans. Maybe use ChatGPT. I'm just gonna choose a simple slogan like decoding your dreams. Now, what I really like for when I do technology, it's actually Nexa. Like for a secondary font, if it's for technology, I would suggest using this one. So let's see, decoding your dreams. Let's group it. Go here. Oh, this looks really good. Okay, I think I really like this one very much. Group. Here we go. Two. And I think this logo looks really, really good. Now we're going to try how it looks into icons. I'm just gonna go with this. Make it smaller. Just gonna go here. Okay. Go here. And icons. There we go. Go over here. Let me just response is for icons enough. One is gonna be this color, this form, okay, this form, and we just straight out black. I'm gonna go to effects, that was drop shadow. We go 0, 0. Make this one. ST30. Here, looks okay. Same versions too. Okay, maybe not. And let's take only this one. Before, yeah, let's go another one. I'm gonna leave this one here. Good. Lamp. Okay. I'll bring this one here. I'm just gonna remove the text, and I'm gonna use only this K as an icon. Yeah. Alright. Clear toward board. Right. Let's one group. Let's go like this. For this one too. Iron drill. Middle. This one too. And let's go in middle. Same for the icons. Let's bring it here. See how they look. Okay. Sort. Oh, it would love pattern on the app. Here we go. Here too. So like this. So in the last main around that, no, that's it really manual, but just in case. And yeah, I think we are finished. So if we go back into our brief, let's see if we matched our brief here. So the company name, it's decode, the industry, technology, yeah, we did this one. Wordmark with possible negative space. So as you can see, this is our negative space. The letter K, that looks like a coding element. And the design elements, yeah, the angled brackets included as a negative space. Colors, vibrant blue. Maybe this blue is not as vibrant, but it does the job very well. So if you can see, if you go to document color mode and press print, you can see the huge difference this have. So it's actually a good thing for companies that are in the software industry. I don't have much printing to do, so we are kind of safe from this part. Let's see all the briefs. Brand feel modern, definitely modern. Sophisticated and intelligent, yeah. Approachable and user-friendly, surely, because you have these rounded. Like, you can make it even more rounded by the corners here. See? Yeah. I think this one. Okay. Which one I chose? Honestly, I like this one even better, but maybe we can move it. Take out, nope. Way too much. And yeah, so this is the final logo we're going to do for our series. We're going to start with this one. Go then to the other application. The logo will be scalable, versatile, able to be printed in various sizes for business cards. We're going to do the business card design. I'm going to show you all the dimensions. We're going to do flyers, like you can see here. Just business card, letterheads, brand voice for copywriting, brochures, website design, etc., etc. We maybe will code this one too, but for now, we just finished our logo. This is the logo we are going to continue. And if you guys have any more questions, please write them down below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for the new episode. So see you till the next time.